this strap that is underneath your thighs right now stays where it's at.
Okay.
You do not want it to get into your butt. It will be very uncomfortable. Plus, you'll look super awkward on film.
Right on.
You guys want to dip in the water at all?
Oh yeah, definitely.
You want to splash around and have some fun?
Yes, sir.
We're going to do that by dragging your feet in the water. If you stick your feet out in front of you, I promise it will make it awkward.
Right. All right.
Alright guys, are you ready to go?
Let's do it. Yeah, baby.
Wow,
We up
this
floating.
is crazy. You just feel like you're just sitting
What's
on-
up? What's up? What's
Hi.
up?
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy.
What's up, babe?
Hi.
Water off.
It's crazy.
What are you doing up here?
You just feel like you're
Are you
floating.
chilling? We're up here chilling it up.
Wow, it's crazy.
A little toast. Zippy doo wop.
Did he get us like a picture too?
Hey.
Let's smile. Ready?
Oh, I gotta put that here. It's all stuck on it.
I want a good picture I can post.